In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily sort all applications on your Android smartphone alphabetically. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to go to the app library. To do that, I'm gonna swipe up, and here, as you can see, currently all applications are sorted here manually, but we can easily sort them alphabetically. To do that, we need to tap right here at these three dots, then select sort, and then select alphabetical order. As you can see, now all the applications are sorted alphabetically here. If you want to revert everything back to the way it was, just click right here one more time, select sort, and then tap Add Custom Order. And now, as you can see, all the applications are sorted here as they were before. And also, guys, if you don't want to change the sorting of the applications here, there is one place in the settings where applications are always sorted in alphabetical order. And to get there, first off, we need to swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap right here at that gear. After that, at Settings, scroll down all the way until you find Apps here. And that's where, as you can see, all the apps are sorted in alphabetical order. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.